this section, we learn about the life cycle of your application. Once you're done developing your application, you're ready to stage it. Simply choose the stage option from the top menu. You can stage your application with a clean version of your database or with the same data that comes from your development cycle. What we do in the stage action is create a new instance of a database and publish your application with a URL that you can share with the testers of your application so they can try out your application. The next step after stage in the lifecycle is to publish the application. This takes your stage application and again either create a clean database or copies the data from your stage and creates a live application that your customer can start using. You'll have a URL to run this application available from the top menu, and if you'll click on it, you'll be directed to the URL for your live application, where you can just use it. In the development cycle for your application, you might want to collaborate with other developers. If you click on the flip card, you'll be able to add more developers to help you develop an application. Developers can collaborate and work on the application simultaneously. Also note that when an application is in live mode, in order to make any changes, you'll want to version it. Creating a new version allows you to modify the application while people are still using it without impacting the instance that they are using. What we're actually doing is creating a new instance of your application with a new version number, and this is the instance that you can modify. The production instance is still available for your end users to use. So here you can see how we can take an application and in the new version go over and modify, for example, some aspects of the layout, business logic, business components, or any other aspect. Once you're done with your changes, you would continue to go through the life cycle of the application, staging it again, and then publishing it. You can also manage the life cycle of the application directly from the home page, where you'll see different coloring for the stages of various applications. And in the menu option, you'll also be able to export and import applications between instances of Oracle Visual Basic Cloud Service.